everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve and I post beauty and kind of hauls and unboxings and all things beauty related, beauty and makeup related. So I would love to have you here, so please do hit the subscribe button if you enjoy this video. So today's video is on the Revolution Live to Excess gift set, I think it's called, but I do need to mention this that I got from Revolution. It came in a nice wee bag and it is this absolutely adorable wee hairband. Leopard print is dead soft. I really like it. I used that earlier on, so you'll see that in a video soon. So I did just do an order from Revolution because they were doing Black Friday sales and they had stuff down for really cheap. But the first thing I will mention just quickly is the Revolution Extravaganza eyeshadow palette. This thing is huge. I'll just give you a wee quick peek of this because this isn't what the video is about, but I'll just give you a wee quick peek. So this is absolutely humongous and that's what she looks like, so stay tuned for a video on that coming up. And I've just realised I've got swatches on my arms. So what today's video is on is this bad boy. So I think I got this for £30. I can't remember how much it was originally, so I'll put it up on the screen. And this is the XX Revolution Live to Excess Christmas gift set. Just trying to make some space on my desk. I've got stuff everywhere from filming this video. This is the Raw Beauty Christie video that I filmed today and I really enjoyed it. So how did I get into this? So is it in a sleeve? Yeah, it's in a sleeve. Honestly, how did I even get by? Right, there must be a way to get into this. Oh, tape. Right, that makes sense. Is there tape on the other side? Yes. That's how I can't get it open. I don't want to come off. There. So, this is what the box looks like. Gorgeous, kind of multicoloured pastel. With a few kind of wee stars, moon, and gorgeous. And I think it opens somehow. It must open. So it opens like this. So this is what sorry, I've got a new camera set up, so I'm just trying to figure out where's where. So this is what the top layer looks like. So I think we'll just dive in and do that top layer. So first thing I see is an eyeshadow palette, and this is all velvet, which feels lovely. I love anything soft. It's got the XX Revolution things on it, and I wonder what this looks like. Oh no, this is pretty. So it's got the names printed on the sheet. Sorry, I keep forgetting I've changed camera position. So this is what it looks like. That is really pretty. Really pretty. I'm excited to give this a wee go. I think maybe I'll swatch one or two. Let me know if you guys would want a video of me testing these. Yeah, they swatch nice. I was doubting that there, but they do swatch quite nice. It's just me not swatching them very well, but that's what's new. I'm terrible at swatches, but they look pretty. Those colours look right up my street. So we've got some of this fun stuff. Then next thing I see are some brushes, which is brilliant because I love brushes. So they've got the kind of textured bits on their handle, and I don't know if they've got names or anything. No, they don't. So we've got one kind of really kind of big one more flat one, and one kind of shorter one. So those are the three brushes. And then next thing I see is another eyeshadow palette. So this is Reflection Jealousy, and this is smooth and shiny. It's got some kind of silver sparkliness to it, and I'm going to open that up. And this is interesting. So this is what this one looks like. Right, that's interesting. Is that all shimmers? No, I see one matte, possibly matte. So I'll just touch some of these just gently. I'm a weirdo. Oh wow, okay. They are nice. Didn't swatch that last one very well, but they are nice. That's really pretty. I don't know what kind of look I would do with that, but I'll come up with something because that is really pretty. Then these two things we have are, I'm assuming, lip glosses. So we have a more orangey one and a more pinky one. And these are quite unusual, having that kind of orange and pink reflect out there. Sorry if I do look a wee bit different, my toddler just woke up. But this is the kind of more pink one, so I'll just open that up. Swatch it, and that's very pink. See that? Barbie pink. Sorry, I'm so bad at swatches tonight. So that's that one, and then this is a more kind of orangey one. And that is really pretty, kind of corally colour. I've not got anything like that actually. Very excited to give those a go. And then we have some eyeliners. So we've got 3 ones. So we've got different colours obviously. So we've got a kind of purple one, that's really pretty. I'll just swatch that. It's a purple one. I like that one. I like the packaging of these. These feel nice. And then I have a kind of turquoisey one. It's pretty too. See that? That's really nice as well. And then I'm assuming the last one might be a black. Yeah, I think the last one is like a black or a brown, so I'm not going to swatch that. I'm going to look that up, and if it is a black or a brown, then I'll put it in a giveaway for you guys. So that's everything in the top layer. So then I'm going to pull out this drawer and see what's in here. So first thing I see in this box is this kind of makeup bag. So that will be going in a giveaway for you guys because I've got 101 makeup bags, but it's really nice and it's really good size. And then we have, what is this? Equinox Mist. So it's one of these ones that you shake it up, and that's pretty. I'll try that. I'm not usually the biggest fan of these types, but I don't actually have anything like that right now, so we'll definitely give that a go. Then the next product we have is this, and I'm assuming this is a highlighter. That's going to be too dark for me. Yeah, I'm going to put that in a giveaway. I don't even want to touch it, but I can tell that that's going to be too dark. But it's really nice that they've picked one that's more for kind of caters for medium skin. So I think I'm just about done. So the next thing is this wee Revolution mirror. I actually want one of these that goes in your purse, so you can peel it off. My sister got one of these from one of our subscription boxes, I think it was, and I was pretty jealous. So you can peel off this bit, and this is a wee mirror, and you can either put that in your wallet, or you can put it in its wee case. And I actually really like that they've included this. I'm not the biggest fan of kind of mirrors and things, but I really do like they've included that. That's really cool. I like that. And then this, I think, is the last thing. So this is a Distortion Complexion Palette, and this looks like this, and I think this can work for me. So that looks to be a kind of shimmery bronzer. Yeah, a kind of shimmery bronzer. And then a highlighter. These feel quite dry. So if you can see that, I put it over my star. Highlighter. And then a blush. These do feel really dry, but I've not tried any of these face palettes. So that's that there. So I think that's a really nice wee thing to include. So that's it. I think that's everything, unless I've missed something and I find it later on. So that is the gift set, which I think I really like it. I think it would make an absolutely wonderful gift for someone that's that's just getting into makeup, because there's like, I've got hundreds of makeup and I'm still excited by some of the stuff that's actually in here. So I highly recommend this. I probably wouldn't pay like the full price for it, but definitely look out to get it on offer, because for £30 I think that is an absolute bargain, and my hair is mental. Sorry, talk about my hair again. Always talk about my hair in videos, but I think that is an absolute bargain and I definitely would recommend it. So if you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please leave me a comment down below if you've got this box, or if you're thinking about getting it for someone as a gift or for yourself. Hit the notification bell and subscribe so that you're here for more videos that I bring your way. So thanks for watching. Bye.